If you are finding that an order is not posting in your accounting system, here are the steps to follow in order to report it. Navigate to the site admin by using the right-hand menu. Then navigate to Orders. You will see a list of orders from the site. Find the order that is not posting and select View Order. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see the posts for the order. Click the green number under Attempts, and this will take you through to the post details. This is where you will find any information on errors with posting. This order doesn't have errors, but if we go to the post section of the site, we can see any outstanding orders that haven't posted. Click on the green number under Attempts and again, this will take you through to the post details. Here you can see there is an error. So we will take a screenshot of this error details with the snipping tool, and then send this to the support team for further investigation. You can email support@GOb2b.com and our team will be in touch to assist.